Hey guys, Thomas Talon here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to give you a walkthrough on this 2026 Yamaha AR220. Just arrived. Beautiful boat, guys. You see it's got the full black side hull color, the black rub rail, heavy duty rub rail. You've got your nav lights up front. You've got your anchor light up top. Pop out cleats forward, midship, and on the stern. You'll see you got a port side gas fill with your gas vent right here. Let's take a look at the back. All right, guys, taking a look at the stern of the Yamaha AR220. You'll see it's got the standard Yamaha open swim deck. Great for entertaining. This is your main focal hangout point. Sits nice and low in the water. Has a great telescoping ladder right here for easy access getting on and off the boat. Plenty of cup holders throughout. Nice mount right here for your table as well. This is a ski, water ski tow point. And of course, you got another tow point up top on your tower. Let's climb aboard and take a look. All right, guys, welcome aboard the AR220. Taking a look at the bow, you'll see nice full side forward seating. I'm right at 6 foot tall and can fully stretch out and extend. You've got grab bars on each side for comfort when riding. Plenty of cup holders for your beverages. Nice step up right here that goes up to the bow. Kids can sit here and jump off the front, and then they have a boarding ladder as well. So you have one on the bow and on the stern. This is also your anchor locker. 2 speakers, again, plenty of cup holders throughout. You'll see the boat's got this nice vinyl snapping carpet throughout. Of course, right here we have a ski locker. Walk right through. You've got a center walk-through window. Nice air dam door for your cooler days when boating. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see your seat's got a nice bolster. Kind of gives you some leverage when riding. You've got your Yamaha Connect screen, all your applications, stereo with Bluetooth, Yamaha controls. Of course, plenty of cup holders, nice little storage cubby right here for your stuff, and a cell phone holder. So nicely laid out. Guys, this does have the L-shaped chase lounge. Perfect for when you're doing water sports. You can sit like this and watch all your passengers back there. Nice bimini top. And guys, all our boats right now, we are throwing in covers with them as well. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you.